are you? And I hope you are doing okay. As you can see, I've got like, well, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing an DECAY heat makeup tutorial. Now I've been experimenting a bit, so I just thought I would do a tutorial with my favourite shades. And yeah, I have to apologise for my skin. I don't quite know whether you can tell because I've got no makeup on now whatsoever. My skin isn't quite the best, but what can you do? You can't, like, yeah, and my hair isn't the best. Okay, so you'll need powder, you'll need eyeliner, you will need mascara, and you will need Scorched and Ember, and also Lumber. And then you'll need eyebrows, and then you'll need foundation, and then you'll need this sleek lip liner. And those are the following products you will need. First thing that I'm going to do is apply foundation. Now also I just want to warn you, I have a mirror facing me this way, so if I look that way while I'm doing my makeup, I apologise. It's just because I don't quite know how to work that bit out, so I'm just doing it like that. And I always wear a headband because it keeps my hair from getting horrible, even though my hair is not the best right now. But yeah, the first thing you want to do is apply foundation. Now I'm not going to apply too much of this just because with this look I don't particularly want to, so you're just going to put just a bit on your hand. Now I've got, I don't know if you can see that, but I've got about that much, just a little blotch. And foundation brush, you're just going to put some foundation on. Bit more on because I don't think I'm that much on. Well, I did that purposefully, but I'm just going to add some more. Is my foundation done? I haven't overdone it just because with my makeup I generally try not to overdo it, because to me there's a fine line of overdoing it and not overdoing it, and I think I just don't want to overdo it, so I'm going to stick with that. And then the next thing I do, I don't know whether anyone else does this, but I do my eyeshadow second just because it won't mess up anything else in my eyes, so I'd rather just do that first. And as I told you before, I'm going to apply 3 shades. I'm going to apply Scorched, which is this one, Ember, which is this one, and then Lumber, which is this one. First I'm going to apply Scorched, as I like this one, as it's quite, this will be the one that stands out the most, so I'm going to put, you can see how much that one alone just stands out. This is why I love this palette so much. Scorched. And then secondly I'm going to apply Ember, as this is the second darkest. Just Ember on that one eye. And then lastly I'm going to apply it on this. Not professional tutorials, so just to warn you, I should have said that at the beginning of the video. How does anyone else end up with like eyeshadow here when they do the makeup? Because I do all the time. Oh well. And lastly, you're going to apply Lumber, which is the lightest shade I'm using. Here's my eyeshadow done of the heat, and I love this palette. The next thing I'm going to apply is my mascara, but for this I'm going to have to look very into my mirror because if I don't want it getting in my eye. So mascara. And the next thing I'm going to do is my eyeliner, and that will be my eyes completed. Here's my eyes done. And then the next thing I do, this is just the way I do my makeup. I don't know whether anyone else does it my way, but this is just the way I do it. I don't really know why I do it in this order, but I do. And the next thing I'm going to apply is my powder, just so my foundation stays the same and makes it last. Simply my powder done. And the next thing I'm going to do is do my brows. Now I'm not one to over exaggerate my brows, I just overline them really. Don't do anything like me. I nearly just used a eyeshadow brush for my brows. That would have ended in disaster, quite like a disaster, but it wouldn't have been good really. What I'm going to do is just set a bit on your brush and I just simply go like this. Eyebrows done. The last thing I'm going to do to kind of complete this look is add my new lipstick. Well, it's a matte lipstick, so it's really nice, and I've chosen the not so dark shade. It's quite light, just because the makeup, I'm quite a nude wearer. This palette is not nude at all, that's why I like it. It's quite different to what I usually wear, and it's for a night out, that kind of vibe. So with this look, I kind of thought, just to calm it down a bit, I'm going to add in my sleek-ish type of lipstick. So that is what I'm going to put on now. Quite tell because my lighting. That is my lipstick done, and now I'm just going to take this headband off. That is the makeup look. I'm going to go to the toilet to see if there's better lighting. So this is the makeup look. That wasn't the best place to see the look, but that is the makeup look. Well, this is the makeup look, and as I said, I think this is more for going out, that kind of experimenting with the DECAY palette since I got it for Christmas. So yeah, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, if you want to, only if you want to, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you want to, subscribe, only if you want to, and do more makes you happy. Don't let anyone drag you down. Be humble, stay humble, pick others up instead of down, and work hard for what you want in life, because no one else will do it for you. Smile always, and I will see you very soon with a brand new video. And I do apologise for this hair, it looks damn awful. I'm going to sort that out later. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. Good. Bye.